Jem, aka Wheels No Heels, and I've travelled all four corners of the globe, but never Wales! So join me
and me
as we check out some of the best attractions that North Wales has to offer. From relaxed and low-key, something a little bit more hardcore for those adrenaline junkies! We are in Conwy, down on the Marine Walk, and we're on the hunt for Great Britain's smallest house, and I think I found it. Now, most people are going to have to duck to go in here, but I'm not going to have to duck.
This house was built in the 16th century.
I don't think they had
until
DDA in the 16th century,
The
did
last
they?
inhabitant was...
That was quite an effort, but so cool. I loved it. It was so tiny and compact and cosy. It's quite warm in there still.
it's beautiful.
So beautiful. And all you can smell in the air is fish and chips, can't you? Mm-hmm. So nice.
Yeah.
And you know
salt,
what?
Salt and vinegar.
So good. Anyway, the smell of fish and chips is making me hungry. Should we go and find somewhere to eat?
I've heard of a good place
Yeah? Take me to
called
it.
Dylan's.
Hans, let's go.
Dylan's.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we are in Delands, which is just up from Great Britain's smallest house. They've got a fresh produce store next door and it looks so nice in there. And in here is the restaurant, which is lovely and accessible. And there's an accessible toilet as well. And there's even some little sausage dogs behind me. So cute. I can't wait to see what the food's like. It celebrates North Wales local produce.
Jem, is that the dirty pig?
It's a dirty pig. Oh, that looks good.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Oh, that was a lovely meal, but now it's definitely time to find our hotel and have a good night's sleep because tomorrow we're off on an adventure. Let's check out the room. Oh, it smells good. It smells like lavender. Oh, wow. Oh my God.
The size of that. There I am.
This is a bit of me. Well, with that, it has been a long day with lots of driving, so now it's time for a hot shower and bed. We've made it to breakfast. I'm not a morning person, but I've got my tea. I've got a Welsh breakfast, and today I'm really excited because we're going up on the Mount Snowdon Railway. And then we're off to Carnarvon Castle. We have made it to the Snowdon Mountain Railway. This is the railway station. It's so pretty. It's really accessible. You've got the station over there, and right over there is some accessible parking. I honestly cannot wait to get on the train. It's about a 7.5 kilometre ride up. The views are absolutely spectacular already down here, so I can't wait to see what they're like up there. Ramp out for us.
For you.
Yes! That breakfast. Right, so we're on Hunslet, I think this train is called. And I do get quite travel sick, but I have taken a travel sickness tablet because it's going to be an hour on the train and I think I'm facing backwards. Maybe it's backwards one way and forwards on the way coming up, but yeah. Did I tell you that it's nearly 1 kilometre high? Isn't this stunning? It's easy to see why this is one of the world's most scenic railways. Wow. Yes. Let's go around.
Almost at the summit.
Should we go around here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so this is obviously the accessible viewing platform that the lady was talking about in the station. And honestly, it is absolutely breathtaking. And for someone, you know, with limited mobility or who is disabled like myself, there is no way I'd wake up in the morning and think, oh, I'm going to climb Mount Snowdon, unless I was doing some sort of charity thing. But to be able to get on the train, it all be accessible, and to be able to drink in views like this, I honestly feel so, so lucky. Right, we've made it back. We had such a good time. I absolutely loved that. But now we're off to somewhere really special and I can't wait. Let's go. And here we are, our final destination of the day. This is Carnarvon Castle, and I think it's easy to see why. This was one of the most spectacular buildings of the Middle Ages. Let's go inside and have a look. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm in Game of Thrones. This is so cool. I'm beginning to trip out already, thinking I'm the queen. The castle has had a whole new refit, a £5 million refit, the Kingsgate project, to make areas of the castle that were inaccessible for hundreds of years accessible, and they've upgraded their wheelchair access as well. So as you can see, it's been great so far. Let's go and check it out. Nice medieval ramp.
That looks a bit rough, Jen.
Yeah, it's a bit bumpy. But it's not often that I get free reign of a place like this. There's always steps.
Yeah, true.
To be fair, just exploring down here and soaking in all of this history and atmosphere is pretty amazing, and having those ramps there. But with their new refit, I can reach up to the upper level, which I don't think I've ever really been able to do in castles before.
Come into my dungeon.
She's a tight squeeze. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Wowzers.
I've got to do it the hard way. Whew. Got a puff. Had a puff.
Oh, steep
What a
steps.
fantastic view.
Isn't it? And look, how good is this? Having glass here, so it unrestricts the view.
Yeah,
Obviously you've got this here, but they've obviously thought about it, haven't they?
yeah. It's just a simple thing, isn't it?
Yeah, that some
Make
people
all the
wouldn't-
difference.
Yeah, that they just wouldn't even think of. It's not like a dingy medieval lift.
Medieval castle.
Like a pulley one. Have they got trolls in the basement, do you reckon? Now it's time to definitely go back to the hotel, have some dinner and a lie down. What say you, Sean?
I think so, yes.
It's been a long day.
Let's go.
After our super busy day today, we've decided to have dinner here at the Black Boy Inn, and it is so cool in here. Quaint. Quaint, yeah, it's so quaint. It's really oldie-woldy, proper authentic Welsh pub with proper authentic Welsh food. I'm having the chicken pie, Welsh chicken pie, and Sean is having the Welsh pie, so we're really excited to see what that's like. It's a new day, it's a new activity.
Mile enter the roundabout and take the third exit onto
She's always interrupting.
Rude. It's a new activity and it's a new hotel. Today is the day, guys. We are going on the zip line. What have we let ourselves in for? Down. So yeah, we've got a little bit of a drive there. And I'll see you
Proceed
when
3
we're
miles to
there. Okay, so we've made it to Zip World. It's a little bit windy, but we're going to go and head in. We're going to be doing the big zip and the little zip. I can't wait to see what I've let myself in for. they've had to postpone our zip because the winds are so high. You probably saw when we arrived here, the winds were really, really strong, and now they're even stronger. Obviously, safety is the most important thing. All is not lost. We have made an executive decision to go to Betsy Coed, which is about 25 minutes away from here, and it's part of the franchise of Zip World. And they've got a really cool forest coaster that we're going to hopefully try. Wish us luck! Here at Betsy Coed, it's not as accessible as the one at Velocity, but together we made it work. There are a lot of uneven slopes here that Sean had to help push me up, and you can see that the ground is a little bit uneven. Also, accessing the forest run, there is a little step here, which I was able to manage in my wheelchair with the help of Sean. And the guys let me stay on the toboggans all the way around, so I didn't have to keep getting on and off.
There goes Jem, all the way up there. Oh my god, I think this is scarier than Velocity.
Here we go, accelerate. I hate it when it does that. Here we go. Well, that was top fun, wasn't it? I got my adrenaline rush, but now I definitely want to do something a little bit more chilled and relaxed and soak my bones.
Where can you see yourself right now, Jem?
In a jacuzzi.
Let you into our room.
Lamb.
Music.
Wow. Oh my god. Are you serious?
It's complimentary.
Is that what it says?
Please accept our complimentary sheep. Please leave me outside your door if you do not wish to be disturbed.
Oh.
All right, Lloyd, out you go.
Fancy a spa?
Yeah!
What about me? Let's go! I have been thinking about this all day. When it was blowing a gale up at Velocity, I was thinking about this, and now it's time. A few steps there, but we're going to make it work, as we always do.
There she is.
Look at this with food this morning.
Yes, we're fine.
Borada. What a better way to finish our short getaway here in Lake Burnley. It's absolutely stunning here. I've just finished my full Welsh breakfast, but we have had such an amazing time here in Wales. It's really got my heart. The people are so lovely and friendly, and I feel like we've eaten our way around Wales. All of the attractions that we have stopped off along the way, I've been really impressed with the accessibility, and although things didn't quite go to plan, we're definitely going to have to come back now and take on Velocity, so we will be back. But for now, diolch, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!